Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about some billion-dollar developments in Jamaica. Now they have to do with the tourism industry, hotels that are being built. Now Jamaica is on track to reach 50,000 hotel rooms in a few years. We're currently at 30 and we're getting to 50. That's why they need to build another airport in Western Jamaica, because that's where the majority of the tourists go. So as it is now, the Sangster International Airport is near capacity in terms of visitors going through the airport, travelers I should say. So they plan to build another massive airport in Negril, Westmoreland, to help with the inflow of tourists or visitors into Jamaica. Now, these projects that we're going to talk about are going to bring in even more people. For instance, one development, the Sugarcane Bay Hotel, they plan to build 10 hotels in that development, 10 different hotels, 4,700 more rooms. So can you imagine how many more tourists or visitors are going to come to Jamaica for that one development? Another development is, and this is the only one that is open, is Princess Resorts. They have built 1,000 new hotel rooms. The hotel opened a few weeks ago. And this one is in Hanover, between Negril and Montego Bay. So either airport could bring in tourists for this one. Now they plan to build 2,000 rooms. They have built phase 1, which is 1,000 rooms, and they're going to start construction of the additional 1,000 rooms very soon. So a lot of development, and these are just the bigger developments. A lot of developments are taking place. So we're going to go through the $5 billion investments, $5 billion hotel developments in Jamaica. Now, number one is Sugarcane Bay. This one is going to be in Runaway Bay, which is in St. Ann. They plan to build 10 hotels, and the investment is going to be over $1 billion US. They'll have 4,700 rooms. The second one is in Trelawney, and this one is Harmony Cove. And I think I saw where this development is to start very soon. This one is going to be $1.5 billion US. And Bahia Principal, a lot of people always comment about how I pronounce that name. Bahia Principal, I guess, plans to build 2 new hotels in Jamaica. Now, Bahia currently has a hotel in Runaway Bay, St. Ann, and that today is the largest hotel in Jamaica. Remember, Princess Resorts, when finished, will be the largest at 2,000 rooms, but they only built 1,000 rooms. So as of today, the Bahia is the largest hotel in Jamaica, and it's in Runaway Bay, St. Ann. We have videos up, you can check it out. They plan to spend $1.5 billion to build 2 more hotels in St. Ann. I think they're going to be in Runaway Bay. And then number 4 is the Pinnacle. Now this one is going up in Montego Bay, and this is going to be a mixed-use development. It's going to be 4 towers at 28 floors each, and one of the towers will operate as a hotel. And number 5 is Princess Resorts in Hanover. And this one is, as we said earlier, it's 2,000 rooms for the project. 1,000 rooms have been built, and that hotel is open now. And the additional 1,000 rooms will be built. That's another $1 billion project. So you can see where Jamaica is heading. Jamaica is heading in the right direction when it comes on to the construction of these hotels. So that's why a second airport is needed, because all of these developments that we spoke about, these 5 mega developments, are taking place between Negril and Ocho Rios. Alright, guys, now there was something in the news, or a couple reports in the news about hotel workers going on strike. So, guys, let us know what you think about that. Leave your comments in the section below. And also let us know what you think about these developments that are taking place in Jamaica. Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.